Yeah. Come on. You can do it.
Ready?
Yeah.
Oh shit! It's a little heavy, man.
If we don't get it from any of these, we'll have to go back. Good morning, guys. So now we are going to HSR layout petrol bunk. We are getting mangoes again. Yeah. So now we booked the cab. The cab has already reached, so we'll quickly get into it.
Yeah,
okay.
he's calling.
Cab driver is calling. Okay. Okay, we'll go quick.
It's not this correct location.
Yeah. Hope this is the correct location this time.
The location is correct.
Yeah. We'll see if it's wrong.
Okay.
Mostly it will be correct. Hope it's correct.
Okay, guys.
Yeah.
I think the cab is here.
Yeah.
it's
Okay, then we'll go.
Bye.
Yeah, bye. So guys, we started our journey. Okay.
So the question is, if we cannot come back in the same car, why did we book a car?
That's a good question. Exactly. Okay, I didn't think that. Okay, actually, yeah.
Traveling in that way, this way.
Yeah, actually, I
good
asked her
question.
to book a cab because there are a lot of mangoes, so we'll have enough space for coming back. And then this question makes sense. If we are not coming in the same car, then what is the purpose of booking a car? We can go in an auto and come back in a car. Exactly. Great.
Okay, we'll see if we can come in the same.
Yeah, we'll check with the driver. Okay, guys, so even the driver agreed for coming back in the same cab.
So, no,
That makes sense now, exactly. Okay, let's see how's outside.
it's been too long.
Yeah, too long for you.
Yeah.
I recently went outside. Okay, how are you feeling with this coming outside after a long
Nice.
time?
It feels like it has become a little more dried up.
Dry.
I don't know, it feels like that.
Yeah.
But the traffic has become very less.
Yeah. Exactly. Like I'm not understanding the traffic statistics of Bangalore. One day it will be too high and the other day it's too low.
Maybe because today it's a off day.
Yeah, it's Sunday and people are at home enjoying cooking, having food short.
And
And
what the places, man?
and guys, yeah, like
I only remember the way to college.
at least you remembered that. I didn't even remember that way.
That's the petrol pump. Is that?
Okay, guys, so we reached the petrol bunk. We'll check the driver. I'll just call him. Yeah, we can get down.
Cash, ma'am.
Okay, so now we're trying to call to the driver. We don't know where the mangoes are.
Yes, guys, I'm trying
to reach him, but he's not.
Yeah, I'm trying to call the driver. He's not lifting the call.
So that's the petrol bunk. It's there. It's somewhere opposite to the petrol bunk. So we're searching.
I'm calling to my father so that he can connect me to the driver. Okay, there is a bus here. There is a bus here. Let's check. Okay, guys, just now I informed my father that we reached here and we are waiting for the driver. He told he'll just check with him. Meanwhile, we can see a lot of buses here.
The other bus that we saw, it was a Pondicherry bus. So
Yeah, I don't think
Not the right one.
That's the correct one. And we have a lot of buses inside the petrol bunk. Might be we can go inside and have a check because there are no buses outside.
so I don't see any boxes or nothing is there.
Yeah.
Nothing that looks like something that we need.
Yeah, this is the only bus that is there outside. We have a lot of buses inside. We'll get inside.
Okay, now we're gonna cross the road.
Oh shit. Vlogging while crossing the road. Very dangerous.
no. Okay, let's go.
Yeah. Yeah. Quick. Oh shit.
Successfully. Okay, now
I
this
can
is
see
the petrol bunk.
one bus,
One Andhra Pradesh bus.
2 Andhra Pradesh buses here. Okay. There are a lot of buses, guys.
So which one?
Might be the one which is parked opposite to the petrol bunk. talk to the driver or the conductor. I'll just ask them.
Yeah, there are people inside the bus.
And we can see 3 buses here. These 3 buses and 1 more bus in the petrol counter. I'll just ask them. Bye. తుని నుంచి మామిడికాయలు ఏమన్నా ఇచ్చారా?
బస్ వస్తుంది.
ఇప్పుడు ఆల్రెడీ వచ్చిందని చెప్పారు.
ఏ బండి మన నంబర్
నెంబర్ ఒక్క నిమిషం.
9219 ఉంది, 7257 ఉంది. బండి నెంబర్ కావాలి. బండి
He's,
నెంబర్ అది.
సరే అండి. He's asking to get me the bus number. I'm calling the driver one more time. Hope he picks up.
Okay. So we need to know the bus number because there are a
We'll
lot
go
of
to the
buses
other
coming
bus
from the
and
same place.
ఆగే అదే.
So the guy is saying it could be the other bus.
Bro, this much hardship for mangoes. What? Ripened mangoes.
Shit, it's from your home.
Shit. Lot of hardship. I hate this ringtone.
Who is that?
The drivers.
Oh shit.
It's irritating when they don't pick up the call. Okay, we have 3 more buses.
So whom do we ask?
Oh. Okay, we'll start from there. We just have this much buses.
Okay, starting from the forest one.
We'll start from the first bus. We have 3 more buses. We can go back that way.
If we don't get it from any of these, we'll have to go back. Oh shit. Shit. Careful. Oh, what is that?
Shit. అన్న తునిలో మామిడికాయలు ఏమన్నా పంపించారు?
ఇచ్చింది ఇచ్చారుగా ఉందో ఉన్నామా వస్తున్నాను.
సరే సార్.
నీళ్ళు బాబు ఇక్కడే ఉన్నాను. దూరంగా ఉన్నాను.
సరే సార్.
నీళ్ళు పడతాను.
Okay. But this
Okay guys, so finally we found the bus.
which is the
Uh,
bus?
This is the bus
Okay, good.
and they're gonna give us the mangoes once they complete cleaning the bus.
Oh,
They just parked it here after a long journey. So yeah, finally we got the bus. Great.
right selection of the bus.
Yeah. Exactly. Like there are a lot of
We had
buses
a
in
lot
the
of
starting and then we came to the
Great.
front. Yeah, that was a good guess.
It's Bangalore 135.
Yeah. I think they're getting the mangoes from inside.
A lot of stuff.
తెచ్చున్నారు స్కూటీ తెచ్చున్నారా
కార్లో క్యాబ్లో వచ్చామండి.
క్యాబ్ ఎక్కడండి
ఇక్కడికి రమ్మంటారా క్యాబ్?
ఇంటికి రమ్మను.
సరే సరే. Okay guys, so he's asking, yeah,
Okay.
you can call him and ask him to come little friend.
I guess we went. I don't know.
Okay. No, you can just call him. We anyways informed him. So we are trying to call to the same cab driver if he's here, or else we'll book one more cab.
అవునా
They are saying that it's too heavy.
లెక్క పెట్టేది అంత కలిగి క్యాబ్
Ah,
క్యాబ్ రాని
అదే.
Okay, it's a big one.
Yeah. Okay guys, so the cab driver didn't pick the call, so we are trying to book one more cab. Okay.
It shows 6 minutes. It's booked.
Okay.
It's a white Desire.
Better. So this is the
Okay.
place we are right now.
Now we'll have to wait for 6 minutes for the cab to come.
Yeah.
And there's the box. It's a very big box.
I think lot of mangoes are stuffed in this little space.
What mangoes, bro?
The same Banganapalli mangoes.
Oh my god.
Yeah. And my father was saying like this is the last group of mangoes, like
Oh,
last of the
season.
season. Yeah. So the mango shapes are
Yeah.
also weird, like small to big. We have all shapes of mangoes. He's saying.
I can expect that from the box.
Yeah. And then I'm like,
80 mangoes. Baby.
Yeah.
80 mangoes.
And then I'm like, send, anyways you send them, because I still remember when I was small I used to have a lot of mangoes at home, and that home ripened mangoes taste is completely different from what we get and buy from market.
Exactly. Even at my home, I don't have a mango tree. I have a mango tree, but it hasn't given any mangoes yet.
This season something happened to mango trees. Even our mango tree at office didn't give any
That
mangoes.
was very shocking. It's like
Yeah.
last year we got like huge amount of mangoes,
Shit.
and this year it was like nothing we got.
Shit. And it's funny that we are craving for mangoes at the end of the season. These many days we are in some other world or what.
We didn't even know that summer came and it's almost there.
Yeah. Suddenly realized that mangoes are there and it's summer. Hello.
Okay, Grace. In the call.
We reached the bus.
We found the box.
Yeah, we found the box. Now we booked the cab. It will come in. Yeah.
4 minutes.
After that we'll start immediately.
Where
Yeah.
is that car?
Okay, bro. Luckily.
No.
Luckily we got this bus, right?
Yeah,
Actually-
like it was a random selection.
Yeah, it's completely
from 4
random.
buses, but
We'll show you the other buses. So this is the last bus. Correct? We can walk through the payment. Okay guys, so this was the last bus, and then we had some 3 more buses,
3 other big buses.
big 3 buses, and my intelligent brain somehow guessed that we can start from the initial
Final
bus,
one.
and the final bus had the mangoes.
It's usually like that. We'll go to everything that's near us and we'll
Yeah.
find it only at the last.
So my
first
intelligent
we started
brain,
from the last.
it's all my intelligent brain. I can't. See, these are all buses. Like this is bus, that is bus, all buses. It's a
Broken.
yeah, broken bus. It's a completely random selection, and we got it. Our 3rd year is starting. We are starting with the new semester.
Third year.
Yeah, you are also going to start. Okay.
In the timetable, yeah.
Okay. So we are starting up with new semester, new year, and again we have to log, we have to
Again, back
edit.
to academics.
Yeah, back to college things, and we have to do camera, we have to get content, you know, lot of things we have. So we thought we can come up with a new pattern that we can follow every
Very
day.
helpful and make things easier.
Yeah, to make things easier and to be more consistent and productive during all these times, because we'll get confused what to do and all. So okay, what about the cab?
You have 2 minutes.
Okay, 2 more minutes for the cab to come.
We'll see how the hectic days coming will be.
Yeah. We'll just have a
It
look.
will be completely packed up, even more packed up than the other days.
Yeah.
The last days were all jury and it was like just works. We didn't have to sit in class and do it.
Yeah.
So now we will get to see our class also.
Yeah, online classes, our faculties, our classmates, our works, our weird works, our weird assignments, sometimes
Weird classes.
interesting. Yeah. Everything you will get to know. It's really interesting, guys. Amazing experience.
You won't know how to learn a practical subject online.
Yeah. That is the like
I don't know.
different part. We learn stitching, we learn draping, everything that is
I
practical.
even learned carpentry in online.
Shit, carpentry learning online. She did it in last semester. Shit.
I don't
Okay.
know if I go back to college and they give a piece of wood and ask me to do something, I'll be like,
What? What? I just know wood and I'm a carpenter.
okay, what to do?
1 more minute. Okay.
We'll go back.
Yeah, we'll go back. We just came here to prove our selection. Shit. Okay. Slowly the traffic is also increasing.
Yeah, by noon it's
Yeah.
like almost 11:47.
I think people are lazy on Sundays. They wake up late.
That's the only day they get to sit at home. But obviously they were sitting at home all these days.
Okay.
The cab shows it's almost there.
Okay guys, so our cab has reached. Now we'll inform them. They'll help the mangoes to keep them inside. Anna, cab ochindi. Okay, the cab driver is ready.
Okay, so I've informed him that we have a parcel So he's opened the dickies. Great. So he's asked for 200 rupees and I was paying him. So for one box we have paid 200 rupees. Okay. Okay, is it paid?
Yeah, paying.
Okay.
Just a minute. Shit, I should have checked with my father and then paid, but it's okay.
Okay. Okay, so now we are going back.
Okay, guys, we are going back. Oh, I should have checked with my father and then paid because I'm not sure he might have already paid.
26. BMTC.
Yeah, everything is back, man. Like garment, vehicles, transportation.
I haven't traveled in BMTC yet. It's been over 2 years since we are in Bangalore and
You haven't traveled through VMTC.
haven't traveled in BMTC even once.
Shit, I just traveled once when we have this college work.
Yeah, like
going-
even when we had college work, I was like opting for a cab so
Shit.
we can go peacefully. And
Yeah.
once I tried coming back in BMTC from somewhere, and that time there was no places available. So
Okay. They told this is the work, you have to go survey and you have to use public transportation, and we are like, what? Only then we understood how things work. Even in bus stop, how things are, like lot of beggars and all, lot of
like that was I guess in the first year.
yeah, first year. It's completely new experience. Yeah, new to Bangalore. Lot of kids are coming asking for money and all. Oh,
That will be a different experience.
yeah, completely different experience. I think we're almost there.
Yeah.
We,
Hey, return was too fast.
yeah.
Okay, so he's helping in getting the luggage out.
Bhaiya, 8 minutes.
Okay, Yo is there. Gray is there.
The box
People
is
waiting
here.
for.
Is it that much heavy?
Yeah, it's too heavy. How much mangoes?
How many mangoes?
80
Like-
mangoes. As per the information, we need to check how much they are.
Guys, 101 mangoes.
A lot of mangoes. I'm thinking, what do we do with all these mangoes?
We can pick many
We'll
things.
make
We
a
have
lot of
things
dishes.
with mangoes, guys. This week is going to be
Mango
day.
Mango
Morning,
and mangoes.
noon.
We're not gonna regret that we didn't have mangoes this time. It's like full mangoes from
We are having mangoes at the end of the season. The whole season we are in summer.
Okay, yeah.
We can do a day with full mangoes. Mango breakfast, mango lunch, mango dinner with full mangoes. That's it.
Can you make anything out of mango?
Yeah, a lot.
There is
Nice.
Milkshakes heavy.
Okay, what is this blue here? Okay, these people are closing the gate.
Okay, we'll go out.
Yeah, come on, you can do it.
Ready?
It's a little heavy, man.
Hope mangoes are safe inside. Okay, next
Almost
round from
everything
there.
ripe. It's really I'm getting the smell of mangoes.
Yeah, even when the bus, it was so.
Nice. We need to open and say.
This is our weightlifting for today, guys.
Again.
Weightlifting exercise for today. Warm up. Next round.
You gonna lift it up?
No.
Obviously not.
Same.
Okay. The same place.
Same place is in the second round of. I'll clear this space.
Okay.
Mango episode part 2.
I can smell this.
Shit, it's like everybody around the mango like flies.
We'll cut and see. Perfect.
Thank you, uncle. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We'll eat this for the whole season.
This is full mango day.
Yeah.
So good.
We were saying that we didn't get anything this season, but the end of the season we were like waiting the mangoes.
It's almost over mango season, but I can see a lot of mangoes.
Bro, I can see the juice here.
Juice there?
Where?
No,
This is glue. No, wait.
that's glue.
Cut it. Okay, let's remove the newspapers.
Oh god.
Oh, it's like layer.
Bro.
Guys, these are the home ripened tree plucked mangoes.
It's hot. Pure smell, guys. Like completely organic.
These are hot.
It's very hot.
Yeah.
What
Oh
happened?
shit.
Might be in the bus.
Bus.
It
But
was
it's good
kept
if
in
it's
the
hot. It will ripe soon.
What?
It shouldn't ripe soon. How will we
Actually,
finish all
mangoes
this?
will be little warm.
This is different
Hello?
smell. I think it's a different variety of.
Ah,
guys,
this
this is
is
farm grown mangoes
Organic,
from
no fertilizers, no
Tuni district
chemicals.
of
Andhra Pradesh.
Andhra Pradesh. We got this.
When I was small, every day my mom used to force me for drinking this mango
Bro,
puree.
Shit.
100%
You are lucky.
No, I'm
See
better.
people who doesn't get mangoes like that.
Every day, 2 times, I'm like crying, and she'll be like, "Open your mouth," and then yeah.
Again.
Okay, guys, that time I cried. Yeah, now I'm like regretting. Okay, I want mangoes and all. So childhood, what all you get once you grow up.
We can have this. This is pretty soft.
Guys, so we're going to keep it.
These people cannot take their hands from the
oh
mangoes.
my lord.
This is perfectly ripe.
Bro, let's check all the mangoes. Shit.
Oh my god.
The bottom layers are even more ripened.
Yeah.
Ripened. Oh.
That's why I think they kept in layers.
Let's keep it
Yeah, let's
outside.
categorize. Let's make them once.
Where was the ripe one?
Here. Bro, this is also
Even these are ripe. See, look at this. Perfectly ripe yellow.
Shit, complete
organic. I think we can just squeeze it and have it, man. It's that soft. Very good. Lot of mango.
She is like, oh, again.
Everyone is happy, man.
Yeah, everyone. After seeing this much mango.
Okay,
most of the
now
mangoes, guys, most of the mangoes are ripe, and almost skylight area is filled with mango smell.
we can give Ganga Chachi also.
Yeah.
She can take it home for children.
Last layer, guys. Last layer. It's the last layer.
Nobody in the office should regret that they didn't have mangoes this time.
Guys, we're going to distribute to everyone in this.
We're going to make every possible recipe out of mangoes.
There should be no one who didn't get mangoes this time.
Yeah.
This is a lot.
Oh my god.
Everyone gonna fill their stomach with mangoes.
From today, our breakfast is mangoes, lunch is mangoes,
Everything is mangoes.
Actually, that's newspapers. It used to be like end of every meal we used to have it like 3-4 times.
Oh my
Guys,
god.
this is mango shop. Mango shop.
Even mango shops won't have this much mangoes.
Exactly.
So guys, we're going to taste this. So let's take pick this.
Wash and taste.
Yeah. There is one ripe one.
Don't be too much.
Bro, this is ripe. This is ripe.
Okay, now these guys are trying to select the best ripe, most ripened. It has green.
I think
Bro, I can't choose one thing because there are a lot of ripe and everything is looking
Bro,
so
I'm
good.
taking the smaller one, okay? I have some.
That looks cute.
Yeah.
Okay, better you wash it.
I'm going to wash it. Oh my god, I
Guys,
know
wash
mango.
it every time before you eat. Even though they are organic, it's better to wash and have it.
You can feel.
Bro, I'm confused which to choose now.
I can feel that.
Bro, there are lots.
Okay, guys, so never ever miss every seasonal fruits. If it's summer, have mangoes. If it's jackfruits, everything.
Do we get jackfruits
Yeah,
tomorrow?
we'll get jackfruit also.
Yeah.
Tomorrow we'll get.
Her parents are sending jackfruit.
Guys, I love parents.
I love jackfruits.
How is it now?
Wow.
Look at her. See? It's so good.
So today we will be having mango curry from
So sweet. She will make manga curry. Some sweet curry with chapati.
With chapati. I see a lot of mangoes here already.
These are not mine. I think everything is mango. Everything
She had like
once had everything come.
3 mangoes and saying she's full.
I thought I could finish one, but I think it's really huge.
Yeah.
I think so. I finished
Oh, Zoe missed it, man.
Oh my god.
She's still enjoying the mango.
Still didn't stop. Still eating.
It's the juice
I
is
think
coming through
we
my
can make something
hands.
special with mango, like
Yeah.
cake and
Mango
cake.
Yeah.
Mango. We can make mango yogurt. Cake.
Mango cake.
yogurt in the morning.
Yeah.
Cake in the
Mango ice cream, mango milkshake. One day full of mango recipes.
Mango ice cream, mango milkshake, mango custard, mango panna cotta, mango custard,
Cake, everything possible.
Pancake.
Custard.
anything and everything.
Yeah. One full day will be mango day, guys.
Mango cream.
Okay, we'll surely do that.
Oh my god.
Seeing so many mangoes.
Smell different. See, the smell is different. So this is Banganapalli. This is Banganapalli. That is rasam mango and Banganapalli, both mixed. This is only Banganapalli.
Hello, guys. So today's episode, today's journey is
It's
amazing.
very fruitful with lot of fruits and lot of mangoes. Again.
Actually, it's a random guess. Even in selecting the bus, also like there are around some 6-7
that is
buses,
funny,
and then we
okay.
went front and got the bus. It's actually a random guess, and yeah, actually the bus was supposed to come to Majestic. I was supposed to go to Majestic and pick up the fruits, but I was
It's a
late.
very
I
long
completely
story.
forgot. Yeah.
And it's a very funny story indeed. Like after I watched it, I was like, bro.
Okay, so yeah, I'm supposed to start from here at early morning 7 o'clock, and I forgot it in between. I'm like, okay, today I have to get these things, and quickly we started from here. And then when we called up the driver, he's like, we are in HSR layout, you have to pick up from there. I'm like, okay, this is much better than going to Majestic. Okay. And yeah, that was a good day like for us, but yeah,
We
things
got a lot of
got
mangoes.
sorted out. Yeah, we got a lot of
The
mangoes.
question
Actually,
is, how are we gonna finish them without spoiling?
Actually,
That
very
is the
tasty
question.
mangoes, to be
Yeah,
frank.
very
I ate
tasty.
some like 2-3 mangoes now.
Actually, it happened like what we said. Breakfast became mango, afternoon lunch became mango, and even night like dinner became mango. We are eating too much. Don't know if it's good or not, but we are completely addicted to mangoes right now.
So guys, yeah, everything went so well. Like things got sorted out. Actually, I was a little afraid like in the morning. So yeah, it's
It might
almost
go
like that. Will I get the bus and all that stuff? But yeah, today was a great day, eventful day as usual.
Yeah.
So guys, whatever you feel about the video, please do comment in the comment box below and let us know. And do share, subscribe, and hit the bell icon right there. Okay guys, see you in the next video. Till then, bye.
Good night.